Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to anchor in Wix. This is wix.com website, and first I will log in to my account. I have three websites on this Wix account. First, I will click on Select and Edit Site. If you only have a single website on your Wix account, you will be welcomed directly in this page. Click on Edit Site to access your Wix website editor, or Wix Editor for short. In order to anchor in Wix, first you need to create your anchor in the destination page. For this video, I will create an anchor on this project's page to avoid scrolling on this page in order to see these projects, for example. So what I need to do, I will create a new anchor here. First, click on Add Elements. Then go to Menu and Anchor and click on Anchor. Now drag and move this anchor element and place it in the exact place that you want your anchor to be in. For this page, I want it to be here. So when someone clicks on my anchor link, instead of landing on this top part of the page, he will be automatically scrolled to this exact anchor placement. Now click on Save. Till now, we created our anchor on the destination page. Now let's say that I want to add an anchor link from my home page to this project's page. Let's edit this text, see my projects. First, select the text that you want to anchor. A new window pops up. Click on this link icon and select section or anchor. Select the page first. In my case, it's called project. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content, like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting, like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver a Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. In my case, it's called projects, and select the anchor name. As you can see, it's called Anchor 1. Now click on Done, then publish your changes. Let's view my website live. Now, if I click on this See My Projects or my anchor link, I will be directly landed on this projects page and scrolled automatically to the projects area. And this is how to anchor in Wix. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.